Now, in this part, I'm going to review the trade ideas and setups for next week, and the date is 26 of 2016 here. My apologies. And I'm going to review a few trades here. I might add something else. For the longs, I'm going to review US dollar, Japanese yen, and we reviewed already US dollar, Swiss franc. Actually, we also talked about the US dollar, Japanese yen. Actually, we talked about all of this. I just want to focus a little bit here and on the opportunity, in the coming opportunity. So in this video, we'll start from the US dollar, Japanese yen. So US dollar, Japanese yen, it's as I mentioned before, it's moving higher. It hit first target. This participation you see after it hit first target is given by the resistance of 26 EMA, as well as, most importantly, from the first target of the measure move here. Okay, so that's Algos taking profits. It's not necessarily dump money and resistance, only resistance on that 26 EMA weekly. Okay, so keep that in mind. Now, Algos, they have a second target. It's above 105.58. If we get there, we're gonna trade extensions. If we do not get there, we have another level that you have to watch, and I'm going to hawkishly watch because that's going to become our next setup here. I don't believe this market is going to make it back into the 103.34. However, what I believe is not really important. The market can do anything. So either it continues higher and gives us a second target, or it moves lower and gives us a next opportunity long. That's it. It's no more than that. Of course, this market might come lower and not touch this level, and so we will not have any setup then. And that means that the market will just take profit here and then continue higher. Okay, so as you can see, some people ask me what the market will do. I don't know what the market is going to do. What I know my firm levels, and if the market gets there, I know what to do. So if you ask me, what's your idea? What the dollar index is going to do? What the US dollar, Japanese yen is going to do? My answer is always I don't know. What I know are these levels that you see on the market, on the chart. Okay, if we get to second target, this is the level I know. If we get a retracement, this is the level I know. And these are the only levels where I will get involved. That has to be very, very clear to you as well. The next market I want to review is the euro versus the euro dollar here. The euro dollar, we reviewed already this move lower. You can kiss goodbye. Bulls will not show up. Smart money will not show up in this market. So anything that you see moving higher is going to be profit taking, which is good. Profit taking is good because it can bring price into the next setup shorts. And the next setup shorts here is going to be an area of between 109.80 to 109.90. If that happens, I'll be the first one shorting these markets. This market particularly try to bring it down into 107 and potentially all the way into 106.95. I might exit partially if that happens and wait for continuation lower. That's an opportunity for next week. The euro pound, we also reviewed that. This is an opportunity for next week. As you remember from the previous analysis that we did, there are daily shorts pushing this price lower, pushing this price on a smart money long area, which participated here to the pip. Remember that I traced this area before the fact, not after the fact. Okay, and there's also a dump long area, and let me show you how this was traced before the fact, and not after the fact. And just remove this, and as the market moved higher, we had an extension, and based on the rules of my system, the extension is traced from this level in this specific case, and once that's traced, it stays there on the chart. If there are no higher highs, that level never changes, and that's the level that was tested successfully here today on Wednesday, and that was known 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 days before. So it was tested before. It was tested 10 days, 9 days after. But just to show that these levels are known in advance. Now, when they're tested, I never blindly buy or sell them. I always have another technique that I use to see whether the algorithms that are pushing this price lower are stronger or weaker than the algorithms that are pushing this price higher. Okay. Now, the case I'm building for this market here is a retrace into 86.30. That cannot happen if dump money and smart money don't give way. And for that to happen, I need to see price below 88.23. It also means that if you're fast enough, that's not my style, but if you're quick enough, you can take a trade from below 88.23 to 86.55. Okay, so it's a sizable trade. It's 170 pips here, and I suspect if this happens, this is going to be very, very quick. Okay, just going to be profit taking and a very brisk move into this level. So that's another opportunity for you. And the last, I wanted to touch on the euros, Swiss franc here, and again, this market has a potential for a continuation lower into the next level of support. There's nothing before that. 107.17, there is nothing before. And if that happens, what we're going to see is basically we're going to see some sort of support there, but not before, which means that this makes for a great continuation trade short here. The shorts have already traded, so it's possible that this market will chance continue lower, because see, smart money has taken already a position at 108.57. That's my view, and this will be, should be, and will be enough to push price lower here. Okay, and that. And the only thing that we have to notice, and the reason why there was this reaction here, is because the dailies are actually being pushed higher because of the presence of this 50% level and previous lows here. Okay. However, the this market is being pushed lower on the larger time frame by a monthly dump money area here. So I don't really however everything is possible, it seems less probable to me for this market to continue higher at this point. So a retest of 108.57, if successful, timed with the FibStalker timing technique, which is my proprietary technique for timing using Algos on a smaller time frame, this should be an opportunity to short this market. All right, and this concludes the review for today. This concludes the trade ideas and setups for Wednesday, October the 26th, not 19, 26th of October 2016, and